And the next challenge is called Great Snakes. It says modern cryptography involves code, and code involves coding. Cryptohack provides a good opportunity to sharpen your skills. Of all the modern programming languages, Python 3 stands out as ideal for quickly writing cryptographic scripts and attacks. For more information about why we think Python is so great for this, please see our FAQ. So they've got a link over here, and we see run the attached Python script and we'll output your flag. Okay, so we've got the challenge file over here, greatsnakes.py, and so what we can do is we can just right-click on the link over here and select copy link. After that, when we're doing these challenges, I assume that you all have access to a cybersecurity distribution of Linux. So something like Kali Linux, which is what we're using right now. And so after you copy the link over here, we're going to go to our terminal in Kali Linux. Oh, okay. Let me stop that. I'm going to create a couple of different terminals here because we might be shuffling between some different terminals while we do our task. So we're in the temp directory over here, and we're going to do the wget command followed by space, and then we're going to paste in the file that we just copied from the website. So it's cryptohack.org, and it ends with .py for Python. So after that, hit enter. And that's going to download the Great Snakes Python file over here. So the file is located over here after we download it. All we need to do to solve this challenge here is to run this file. So in order to run a Python file, all you need to do is type Python and then space and then the name of the file. So the file name is Great Snakes. So we can start typing it out, and then we can tab autocomplete this. So just hit tab on your keyboard, and then the file name will be autocompleted. Hit enter, and then the script produces this. Here is your flag, crypto, Zen of Python. All right, great. So all we need to do now is to copy the flag. So highlight it and copy it. Then go back to the Cryptohack page over here. And there should be, there would have been a place for us to submit our flag. But in this case, I've already solved the challenge, so it doesn't give me the option of submitting the flag again. But let's move on to the next challenge. Okay, so we're going to click on next, go to the next challenge.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.